Unit-1 Ecology and Environmental Science. Previous year questions. Ecology and its relevance to man. First question. Define ecology. Mention its basic concepts and relevance in crop production. Second question. Establish the relationship between nature, Indian culture and Indian agriculture. Third question. List down the principles of ecology. Fourth question. How to develop productive and sustainable ecosystems. Fifth question. Ecological concept of productivity. Sixth question. Define plant ecology. Discuss the role of autotoxicity in crop production. Seventh question. Short critical notes on crop ecology. Eighth question. What is ecosystem and its components? What adverse effects may occur if there is any disturbance to the ecosystem? Ninth question. Eco farming. Next. Natural resources, their sustainable management and conservation. First question. The major ways for sustainable management of natural resources. Second question. Describe ecological principles for productive and sustainable agriculture. Third question. Short notes on conservation of natural resources. Fourth question. Short critical notes on natural resource management. Next topic. Physical and social environment on as factors of crop distribution and production. First question. Illustrate with examples the abiotic components in the ecosystem that influence crop growth. Second question. Indian farmers usually choose crops and their varieties based on their socio-economic aspects and resources at their disposal. Critically comment. Third question. Write different element of weather affecting crop production with suitable examples. Fourth question. Discuss the effect of environmental factors on crop distribution and production. Fifth question. Define the theory of tolerance and relate it to the principle of plant distribution and adaptation. Sixth question. Discuss the climatic parameters in relation to agroecosystem. What are the major threats to agroecosystem? Seventh question. Discuss factors of production. Eighth question. Short critical notes on cardinal temperature. Ninth question. Cardinal temperature. Next topic. Agroecology, cropping patterns as indicators of environment. Discuss the impact of changing climate on cropping pattern and agriculture production. Second question. Explain suitable agroecological management strategies. Third question. Discuss the climatic parameters in relation to agroecosystem. What are the major threats to agroecosystem? Fourth question. Why are agroecosystem losing diversity? Give characteristics of crop land ecosystem. Fifth question. Short notes on importance of agroecological factors in land use planning. Next topic. Environmental pollution and associated hazards to crops, animals and humans. First question. Environmental pollution is hazardous to crops. Describe with examples. Second question. Discuss the effect of environmental pollution on animals and humans. Third question. Describe environmental pollution. Write the role of afforestation in minimizing the effects of environmental pollution. Fourth question. Describe in situ and ex situ management of paddy crop residue parali in India. Fifth question. Explain the effects of climate change on crop production. Sixth question. Highlight the effects of environmental pollution on living beings. Seventh question. Elaborate the environmental pollution along with the role of forestation in minimizing their effects. Eighth question. Environment pollution and its effect on crop productivity. Ninth question. Short notes on modernization in agriculture and environmental pollution. 10th question. Short notes on environmental pollution hazards to crops. 11th question. Short critical notes on environmental pollution. 12th question. Discuss environmental pollution and its hazards to men, animals and crops. Suggests concrete measure to mitigate it in a developing country like India. Next topic, climate change, international conventions and global initiatives. First question, discuss various international conventions and recent global initiatives pertaining to climate change. Second question, discuss the impact of climate change on livestock and fisheries. Third question, what are the effects of ozone layer depletion? Fourth question, discuss the global initiatives and international conventions on climate change. What does NICRA stand for? What are the initiatives taken by the Indian government in this regard? Fifth question, explain Indian efforts towards environmental problem at international level. Sixth question, what are the impacts of climate change in agriculture? How can the impacts be mitigated in crop environment? Seventh question, bring out the possible impact of climate change on Indian agriculture. What are the possible mitigation options? Comment on any national and or international regulatory mechanisms in this regard. Next topic, greenhouse effect and global warming. First question, what is greenhouse effect? Write in detail about various greenhouse gases and their impact on crop production. Second question, explain El Nino effect, give causes and its impact on Indian agriculture. Third question, what do you mean by carbon sequestration? Give the role of cropping patterns for improving carbon sequestration. Fourth question, describe global warming and its impact on crop productivity. Fifth question, explain greenhouse effect and sources of their emission. Sixth question, describe greenhouse effect on and global warming. Seventh question, greenhouse gases, their effects on crop production and possible remedial measures. Eighth question, explain El Nino effect, its causes and impact on Indian agriculture. Ninth question, what is greenhouse effect? Discuss the impact of global warming in agriculture. 10th question, what are the major causes of global warming? 11th question, short notes on greenhouse effect and global warming. 12th question, enlist important greenhouse gases. How can agriculture affect climate change? Describe the importance of carbon sequestration. 13th question, cyclonic storms in India. Next topic, advanced tools for ecosystem analysis, remote sensing and geographic information systems. First question, enumerate the applications of remote sensing in agriculture. Second question, discuss the utility of remote sensing in context of Indian agriculture. Third question, describes the utility of remote sensing and GIS in forest plantation. Fourth question, what do you mean by the terms remote sensing and GIS? What are their application in agriculture and forestry? Fifth question, what is remote sensing? How can we use it in agriculture? Sixth question, comment on the use of remote sensing and geographic information system in agriculture planning. Thank you.